Okay, Jetta reporting in for a Thursday afternoon or Thursday evening. We're here at Keilor Skate Park, one of the closest skate parks to Jetti's old house in Essendon. We have Keilor Skate Park here, near St Bernardine's Boys College. For starters, we have the hip here, the quarter pipe with the coping, the curved quarter pipe with the coping. We have the banks and the hip. We have an A-frame ledge here, grind ledge here, a kicker gap here, a 2-foot kicker gap here. We have a 2-stair here, with a run up and a grind ledge, a long grind ledge. We have a 4-stair there, a down rail and a flat rail going into a down rail. We have a bank here, a rounded bank here. We have a block at the top for grinds and slides. We have a box at the top for grinds and slides, a bank. Coming up here, we have a half bowl section, a 1 metre high half bowl section with a curved quarter pipe, with a rounded quarter pipe with coping. And a mellow bank here. I have a flat rail here, a flat rail, and a long grind ledge just here, and down this section here, just down here, we have a down ledge, a hubber, a down ledge, and a curved ledge here, a semicircle ledge just here. Over there we have a platform rounded hump with a platform on the top. And over here we have another round hump here, a mound, all cool. And this is Keilor Skate Park, one of the closest skate park to Jetti's old house in Essendon. All cool. Have the playground next door. All cool.